Hello, I'm Tolga Aramaz, the Director of Learn Trade Skills. If you're ready to take your electrical career to the next level, our Level 3 Diploma in Electrical Installations is the perfect opportunity. The Level 3 Diploma builds upon your foundational knowledge, providing advanced theoretical understanding and practical skills essential for a successful career in the electrical industry. You'll delve deeper into electrical science, installation design, and learn about the latest industry standards and technologies. Our practical sessions enhance your ability to perform inspection and testing and fault diagnosis, preparing you for real-world challenges. This course covers advanced topics such as environmental technology systems, electrical system designs, installation, commissioning and maintenance, and diagnosing and correcting electrical faults. This course is ideal for anyone who has completed the Level 2 2365 Diploma and wish to advance. Individuals aiming to achieve the ECS Gold Card and become fully qualified, and those seeking a deeper understanding of electrical installations and systems. We have a full-time option which will last 8 weeks long, Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30, for anyone who wants to immerse themselves fully into the course. For those who need to balance their work commitments and studying commitments, we have a part-time option which lasts 15 weeks long, which is 1 full day and 1 evening per week. After completing your Level 3 2365 Diploma, you will be well on your way to becoming fully qualified. The next steps for you would be the NVQ 2357 and then the AM2 assessment, after which you can apply for an ECS Gold Card.
Hi, my name's Serhat. I'm 21 years old. Initially, it was a bit complex due to the lot of information given to me, and as I was an entry-level electrician, it was a bit difficult, but as I progressed into the course, it got a bit more easier as I started to learn and adapt and started doing my own research, etc.
My name's Patrick, and I would say definitely come to Learn Trade Skills because there's not many other centres which provide this complete experience, and it's really good teaching, so yeah, good option.
We offer experienced instructors, flexible studying options, small class sizes, and modern facilities with supporting learning environments. Are you ready to elevate your career and gain the qualifications to reflect your expertise? Just go ahead and complete the form on this page to get further information. Our team will reach out to you with all the details you need to take the next steps. It's quick and easy, just fill in your details and we'll handle the rest.